What you doing, Unc?
Paul, are you blind? I'm taking this board over here to cut it. So you and the baby wannabe friend need to get the hell out the way.
Okay, we will. And this is my friend Tyrone.
What's up, Pop?
Pops, listen here, you mini Tupac. I'll spank you like we was related if you don't show some respect. Watch out, you old fool. You done slap knocked him out. Hell, he over here snoring.
Ow, what happened?
Your crazy ass uncle done knocked you back to kindergarten. Are you okay? Yeah, boy, you okay? I told y'all little asses to watch out. Or maybe with a little luck, that knocked some sense into your little ass.